Hi guys, it's Maureen. Come to my makeup with me. I'm so excited, guys. This is my first ever detailed get ready with me, I think. And guys, this is so hard. I don't know how people do it. I had like 30 minutes worth of video time and I had to like trim it to 7 minutes, and I think I tried my best, guys. Yeah, so it is a long video, but yeah, it's just me getting ready. I'm not gonna do a voice over. I'm not gonna talk you through it like step by step because it's not a tutorial. It's just me getting ready, you know the drill. Anyway, enjoy the video. I'm gonna put my favorite sound, of course, so you can listen to the sound while you watch me do my makeup. Yeah, also trust the process, guys. It's gonna come out just fine, I think. Anyway, enjoy it.